Hey there, Boots Owen here. Someone's left an Indesit Innex BWD 71453. They've left it out on the street with the cable chopped off it, and I'm going to have a look at it because here I am. It's got dribbles all around, which maybe means it was used in a house that had too many cigarettes or something, and the tobacco's now leaching out because it's out in the rain. The door seal's all mouldy. I don't want it, but I can show you how to do the lint filter or the fluff filter, the coin trap. Ugh, that's gross. Why would it be that colour? I need a glove. This is where this is going. Maybe I don't. Maybe I can just hook it away like that. Then in here, it's relatively clean, but it'll be full of water because that hasn't been opened recently. My glove out of the way. Let's open this up and just see if there's any treasure in it. It's not easy to open, so... Oh, it stinks. There might be money in it. What do you think? It doesn't want to come out, which is where it kind of makes it more interesting to get a grip on it somehow. Let's get a set of grips. There we go. No money. Looks pretty grim in there, but let's just put that back for now. But if your machine wasn't draining out or something like that, this is where I would start. If your machine wasn't draining out, I would start by checking that. To get that back together, just line up the clips in the bottom and the ones on the top will snap into place. Indesit Innex BWD 71453. Focus. That's it. Gross, but well, you're one step further ahead now. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.